So it's been quite a bit of time since I last made a video on my Integrale Evo 2, and I've gone down quite the rabbit hole. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you. So I don't really know what happened, but my car is completely disassembled, and we're working on putting it back together. Yeah. So pretty much I was gonna rebuild some stuff, do the engine, drop the engine, have the engine rebuilt, do some things. And I'm like, you know what? I need paint, because my paint was pretty bad. So, you know, we painted it, but, you know, I didn't want to just do I guess to the jams and outside. I want to kind of do the whole car, because I went down the rabbit hole of doing reinforcement plates like everywhere. It's like a 26-piece kit. I don't really know. You can't really tell, I guess, which is probably a good thing. But we got reinforcement plates all over the car. These ones are the big ones. Above the strut towers. I mean, this car should be a lot better now. But I definitely didn't plan to fully deconstruct this car. But you know how it goes, the while you're in there type of job. And that just kind of went down a very long path until I have a bare chassis, essentially. But you know, it should be a good final outcome, I hope. The problem now is I just have to figure out how everything goes back together. I just got this back from paint probably 2 weeks ago. Actually, no, it's probably been a month. I kind of wanted the paint to cure before I started touching everything, but on the interior, you know, fresh paint, I have to get pretty much paint out of all the threads, studs, whatever. So that's kind of been a long process just on the interior. It's not a really exciting thing. I kind of want to record rebuilding this car, but for the time being, tapping all the threads is not very exciting. So I'm going to try and do the basic stuff on the interior. Maybe I'll record some of the insulation, but I've already started putting it down. I just kind of wanted to take my time, enjoy the process, because I mean, this car I probably deconstructed and I think finished in January. So finished maybe February. So it's pretty much been paint for like 4 months or more. Actually been a lot more than 4 months. Yeah, it's been a process. I think the welding plates really made the shop take a little longer than expected, but they're a shop I trust, so rather have it take more time and have a better final product than have it rushed. But it has been some time since I last wrenched on this car, so I'm a little concerned if I remember how everything goes. I took lots of videos, photos, notes, but sometimes that can only go so far. But, you know, so far, with like very minimal things I've bolted in, it's going well. We're doing good. Yeah, I luckily have all this space so I can kind of just lay out parts, but I mean, it is a mess. But all the suspension stuff, I do have to deconstruct it. I got a press. I need to remove all the bearings of the hubs, get everything powder coated on the suspension. Like it to be like as good as new, if not better. I don't know how to rebuild a diff, but my diff worked fine, so probably just new seals. Yeah, parts for days. I also bought this vapor honing machine that I haven't even tried using yet, but I need to start using that because I still have all my latches and bolts for my doors and hood that I need to pretty much clean off and send those to paint so I can put my doors back on and get to work on that. And a few other things. Again, like all the suspension parts I need to clean off and send to powder coat. Engine, I think I'm still waiting on an engine order. Not engine order, I'm a parts order for all my engine. I got a head coming and a bunch of other parts. I'm pretty much trying to make around 350 horsepower. I think that's apparently the sweet spot on this car. So if I'm going through all this process of rebuilding it, I'd like to have a better car than what I started with, essentially. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. So I don't really know what else to do on this video. It really is just a mess of everything. I mean, this is just being a short update. This is just gonna be a short update video because I want to put something out here. I originally, when I bought this car and started working on it, I wanted to record the process and kind of been lacking a little because I didn't record anything on the deconstruction. Well, anything to post online. There's some clips of some shit that I probably will never post, but you know, we're getting there. The reconstruction is more fun, right? Surely. But yeah, I bought that too. Maybe I'll do a video on that sometime, but I mean, sorry. Unfortunately, I have this space, so I can kind of leave it a mess, but I know where the mess is right now. For the most part, everything's organized. Here's, you know, it just keeps kind of going. The interior I am changing up, so this probably won't even be used, all the original seats and stuff. But yeah, we have parts for days. Here's a lot of the new parts. And I'm still waiting on probably a few more orders of random shit, because it never ends. So I guess if you're interested in watching some dumbass rebuild Lancia Delta Integrale Evo 2, subscribe, because I plan on making some videos on this. Hopefully they're decent, but I'll probably be more focused on the actual rebuild of the car over recording good videos. So hopefully something comes out. Hoping for the best. Anyways, thanks for watching, I guess. Hope you're interested in this build.
Well, here's the Lancia. We've got it all set up on the rotisserie. All taped up, all painted up on the inside. And we're about to do the outside paint job on it. She's ready to go.